Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look today at Vechain, and as we can see, it is looking like it has come down now. It had a proper nice retest yesterday of this low again, which is where obviously our buy order that we did talk about a few days ago, it was triggered down at these lows here. I said it was at around 2.2 cents, so a little bit higher up, looking something like that you would say. It got triggered a few days ago here. We obviously came down, got the back test fully of this area here at the bottom of the range we've now broken back into overall. And now looking like we might be coming back up again and retesting the highs. Actually looking like in the past hour we are actually trying to break out here. Currently getting rejected in this area here, as you can see. But if we do start to get the breakout here in the back test, as I said in the previous video, I'll probably be looking for Vechain to come up at least halfway up this range here, which is where I would probably take my profits, or most of my profits, unless we do start to see a really nice move and continuation to the upside overall for the crypto market. But you can see here my take profit target is about halfway up through the range we have now broken back inside of. You can see it overall here extremely clearly. You obviously got your resistance here, support here being formed. This is our range, and then you can see resistance, support. We start to come up here, but obviously stuck under that bear market resistance along with the FTX collapse. We get the extension outside the range, and you can see here we came back up, broke inside, back tested, and now if we do get that continuation, that will be our target heading up towards that middle of the range area again. Now we're back inside the range, so very simply we're trying not to complicate things too much, and in our opinion, now we're back inside the range. I will be trading the range until we see it break in either direction, and it looks as though now that has been retested as support here and got the continuation back up, and now looking like it wants to break out in this area here. You'd say realistically the range is currently holding as an area of support here, and you'd expect this probably to run up into the range somewhat here, especially after breaking out of this key resistance here. As you can see, we've got these three tests, and then we've got the break, the back test continuation here as well. So interesting times indeed for a lot of cryptocurrencies, and you can see here this long position right now wasn't stopped out because the stop was down here below this previous range, which has now been retested as support, and now looking like we could be coming up here to our next, I would say, decent area of resistance somewhere up here. I'd say realistically probably take half profits here and let the rest run in case it goes to the top of the range. But as I said, we'll be trading the range from now on with Vechain, as we can see it quite clearly here on the chart. Now we're back inside this area here. You would expect this most likely, if we do continue in a bullish trend, to head up at least towards this middle of the point of the range, or the top of the range up here, which I'll definitely close my position if we're up here, unless we get a crazy parabolic move and hit the take profit, in which case I'd probably get taken out of the trade anyway if we did something like this, continuously just having a massive run to the upside. But I'd definitely be looking to put in a short position up here at the top of the range. This is obviously a very big area of resistance here, very clear, and you can see I've already painted in a potential short position idea, looking something like this, you know, stop loss just above, and then coming back into the range, get rejected here, come back at least halfway down, and just trade the range until it breaks basically. So that would be the analysis of Vechain today. In the short term, the very short term, over the next few days, it does look like it's going to be quite bullish. But I'd say like a month out, I'm still feeling quite bearish on crypto. I need to see more confirmation of the bearish trend being broken, because you can see we're still making lower lows and lower highs on the macro. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then, you know, anywhere here really could be a lower high. This would be an equal high maybe for a W double bottom, but no confirmations yet of the bearish trend for me fully being, you know, ended, let's say. Realistically, we are still heading down, obviously having a decent push here, but we could easily just roll over and continue to the downside if Bitcoin did drag us down, for example. So that would be my analysis for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.